Hello, Mr. Isom. The fact that you are a geologist, I would be very grateful to you if you could help me better understand the type of rocks and the way they are formed.
Sure, Yosef. The rock cycle is a very interesting thing to look at.
Wow. Is that right? That makes me feel good.
Rocks fall under three main categories.
Oh, really? What are they?
Sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, and igneous rocks.
Is that all?
Yes, these are the three main categories, but there are many different types of rocks that each category contains.
Like what?
Well, the main rocks of the sedimentary type are sandstone, limestone, and conglomerate, while quartzite, marble, and slate are the three types of metamorphic rocks. Granite, obsidian, and pumice are also known to be the main types of igneous rocks.
Very interesting names. I wonder how am I going to memorize them?
Oh, don't worry about that, it is very simple. Just bear in mind that rocks are constantly being formed, worn down, and then formed again. This is what we call the rock cycle. The way sedimentary rocks are formed is when mountains become old, they get rounded and much lower due to erosion. Wind and running water also cause the big mountains to crumble a little bit at a time. When bits are broken, they end up in the streams and rivers. These little bits of rock and sand are called sediments. When water slows down, these sediments settle to the bottom of the lake or any ocean they run into.
Wow, that's amazing. I never knew that.
Oh, by the way, sedimentary rocks are usually formed in layers called strata, and they cover 75% of the usually Earth's surface.
Okay, now I have a better idea on how the rock cycle works.
Glad to hear that. Now let's go into the second type of rock.
And what is that?
Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed by the combined effect of heat and pressure onto other rocks. There are many types of the metamorphic rocks, but the most common are quartzite, slate, and marble.
Is that it? What's the third type of rocks?
Well, the third types of rocks is the igneous rocks.
How are these rocks formed?
Well, they form when lava or magma cools down and solidifies. When lava or magma cools down fast, it has small crystals. On the other hand, if either one cools slowly, it forms big crystals.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
It sure is.
What are the most common igneous rocks?
There are many types, but the most common ones and the ones we often see are the granite, obsidian, pumice.
Is that it?
That's all.
Wow, thank you, Mr. Isom. Now I think I have a much better understanding about the rock cycle and how rocks form.
Great. Good luck.
Thanks.
You are set to go, Yosef.